The first modifier that we're going to add is one which will make the paddle twice as wide as it is, or wider to some degree. So the way we're going to build these modifiers is this is just going to be the parent class that kind of does all the generic stuff now. So modifier is a type of brick, and our particular modifier classes, this is just a system that I developed so that it would be very clear what's going on. There are frankly better ways to do it, but this is as clear as I could make it, I thought. So we'll try this. We're going to add a new tab in processing, and we're going to call this tab LargePaddle. Now this is going to be a modifier. So our class called LargePaddle, LargePaddle, needs to be a child of the modifier class, like a subset. So this is kind of a grandchild now. So this is going to extend modifier. So it too, grandchildren get everything from their grandparents, right? All the genes are passed on down. So it has everything the brick has, and it has everything the modifier class has. Okay, these subclasses of modifier are going to be fairly small. So let's build a constructor. LargePaddle is also going to need to know its position in space. And we're going to also just allow the kind of super constructor to handle that for us and put it in our long-term memory. Be like, here, Grandma, Grandpa, or Mom and Dad, could you give this to Grandma and Grandpa so they take care of it for me while I'm worrying about other stuff? And they're like, sure, I'll put it in your trust fund or whatever. All right, here we go. So, but now with LargePaddle, I want it to be clear what these modifiers do. So I'm going to do that with just color. I'm going to make the LargePaddle modifier blue. So we're going to give the RGB a value of 0, 0, 0, or R red and green 0, but then I'm going to make it like 240 blue so that this brick, at least as it falls, will look different and we'll know what it's supposed to do. Now, we're going to have to go back over right now to the brick class because we need to change this. We were drawing the brick class with images, and so what we need to do is actually say, okay, we're going to change. Nah, that's it for this video.